have my beloved bootleg exhaust piece from there to here. So those are the two bits of the exhaust that we're going to put together. So we have obviously a snap where we tried to weld some ish, and me and Brian got too gangster with it and didn't weld too well. So that's why that looks like junk. And here's the flange that's going to go to the exhaust side. No gasket, so we're just going to use some FIPG, something like that, to seal that up. That'll be fine. And then we'll have blast pipes again, straight back to the straight pipe RSX again. So let's get started with cleaning this baby up. Came back inside for a little bit, so now with that like smoothed out, we can put this little connector on here. This is a 2.5 to 2.5, which is what we have over there. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to there so you can see how I just have to pound that on some, and then the pipes will fit inside there. We'll throw on some JB weld and the bitch gonna be good, boy. JB weld to the actual pipe itself on each side of the flange, that way it doesn't snap again versus using some type of bitch ass wrap. We're gonna use JB weld, see how that works. Let's look at it now.